Here's an easy gluten-free almond flour tortilla that I started making. Use equal quantities of almond flour. So I'm using half a cup of almond flour and half a cup of King Arthur measure for measure flour, gluten-free flour, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt, and then about half a cup of hot water. And just mix this using a spatula. And if it turns out to be a little bit sticky, then you can add a tablespoon or more of the measure for measure flour and add a little bit of olive oil also until you get a smooth, really smooth dough. Now you can roll it into your small chapatis. See, it cooks, comes together really well and cooks really fast. Just 1 minute on each side. Flip it and again cook for 1 more minute on the other side. These are so much tasty and much more softer than the store-bought almond tortillas.